Okay, so we have got to our first actual problem that we need to program for. So this problem says, write a program that prints out the message, "Hello Biology." Now, if you're not sure where to start with the program, it says go back a few slides and take another look at the notes. And we've already gone through all the other previous slides. So if you haven't done that, I suggest you go back and listen in as we take you through those previous slides. But for now, we have been told we need to print out "Hello Biology." Now, when you're doing this, we are going to be putting in or writing in this top square here using the program py file, and that's the Python program file. And we will be running the program. Here is that run button again that we've been using in the previous slides, but it's just a little bit of a different format here. And as we type in this space here, and then we decide to run, it will be running and giving us a response down in this space here. Now, just for those people that have different sized screens, depending on whether you're full screen or not, you could always make that smaller, push that to the left, giving you a whole lot more programming space over here. In the same way, you can move it the other way, and then there's this bar here if you need to adjust. And this is really helpful, especially if you have a smaller device or it just comes a bit weird on your screen. Just move it around and make it easier for you. All right, so there are a couple of things that tend to happen when you get to this point. You already know that you want the hello, biology to be written in that space. But some people forget that and forget to realize that it's actually asking you to complete a print function on it. So remember that word print that we had to do, and then we would tell it to print something. So we'd need to open that bracket. We actually want it to print a string, so we need those inverted commas on each end. And as you can see, the colors are starting to change, showing me as an indicator that I'm on the right track. I am missing the closing bracket to say the end of what I want actually printed. And then you have to make sure you read carefully through what you've written there to make sure that you haven't typed anything wrong, there's no spelling error, there's no missing, closing bracket or opening bracket, that everything is grammatically correct, that you have the words that you wanted to have in there. It has hello biology with capitals here and one space. So you really need to be really careful to make sure that that is absolutely perfect. And then when you're you're ready to actually try it out, you just press run. It prints out, and I compare it to what it asked me to print out. You do that double check, and if you think you're pretty close and you're happy to try it out, you press this little star thing here and it says mark. It will tell us whether it was in actual fact correct or not. It's thinking, it's marking, and up pops your submission passed, our tests, you got 1 point. So hopefully that helps you get through this first little spot, and I will do a separate video for the next one.